back to my channel, Cook with Millie. Here is where we cook the easiest meals with the easiest ingredients. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on the videos. Okay guys, I've not been feeling so well. That's why sija post for some time now. But I thank God I'm back like I never left. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can cook your coconut beans ama maharage ya nazi. Okay, and ni easy steps. If you follow ni easy steps kabisa, and I'm just going to show you the easiest way. As always, jikoni yangu tunatengeneza vitu rahisi. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I'm gonna use today. And yep, I have my tomato, I have my chopped tomatoes here, and a scoop of tomato paste. Okay, I have my onions and a mixture of garlic and ginger paste. Okay, I have some carrots. In today's cooking I'm going to be using carrots, but kama uko na hoho pia capsicums, you can go ahead and use them. Okay, I have my dania yenye nitatumia kugarnish my beans. Okay, my stew or rather. And in my spices here, I have turmeric, I have black pepper here, I have garam masala, and I have cumin powder. Garam masala na cumin powder zinakanga kufanana, you see. So I have turmeric, I have garam masala, I have cumin powder, I have black pepper there for my spices. Sijui napenda spices gani. And I have my cooking oil. Okay, I also have my main ingredient here, which is coconut milk. Okay, ama tui la nazi. Sawa. And finally my beans. Niliziboil, my hands are clean. Niliziboil na chumvi, and ikiboil nikaweka carrot ndani. The carrot inasaidia kuabsorb the gas in the beans. Okay, so that ukikula haiwezi temper na your stomach, ina absorb hiyo gas yote. Sawa, the beans. And I'm just going to show you how I'm gonna cook my beans, my coconut beans. Okay, maharage ya nazi. Say niko na pot kwa moto, and I'm just going to turn on my heat and let the pot heat. Okay, wase, subscribe, join the family. Don't forget to share the link. Munipush manze, I'm so grateful for your massive support as always. Okay, I'm so thankful. So tuendelee kupush hiyo link, tusonge kabisa. So I'm just going to let my sufuria heat kidogo, then I go ahead niongeze mafuta. Okay, so I'm going ahead ni add mafuta yangu kiasi tu. Au mwenyewe ukipenda mafuta mengi it's upon you, but sio poa kukula mafuta mengi. Natumia mafuta kidogo tu. So acha mafuta iheat ndio tukiweka vitunguu zive poa. Nimekuwa mgonjwa man, but I thank you. Niko na friends wa nguvu, niko na familia nguvu manze, mmeniombea. I appreciate those calls, the messages, unajua. Nashukuru sana. Just knowing kuna wase wananijali huko nje. I really don't take it for granted. I'm so thankful. and I'm so grateful to have you as my friends, okay? But I'm now okay. Say neza okay? So tupike. So mafuta inaiva, tuipe tu time ihit vizuri. Sijui kama nasikia mvua kunanyesha. Let me try. Mafuta yangu iko tayari. Vitunguu ziive. Give your onions a stir. Give it a good stir. Ziive. Kuna kachumvi, salt to taste. Napenda mkiongeza salt to taste kwa vitunguu zangu, ndio zikuwe na ile uzuri na taste. So just give it a good stir. Zisoften vizuri, ziive vizuri, okay? Wase naenda ku add my ginger paste, garlic paste at this point. Napenda vitunguu zikisoften is when I go ahead and add my paste, okay? Give it a good stir. Alafu tomato paste yetu napenda kuongeza pia at this stage, ndio i-cook vizuri, iwe vizuri. Inakuanga na kale ka raw taste, so if you want to get rid of it, unaiacha inaiva vizuri kabisa. So naenda kuongeza kwa my mixture hapa, iwe na vitunguu vizuri. Like so. Na tungoje vitunguu ziive hadi golden brown, okay? Sio golden brown sana, okay? Kwa maharagwe yangu napenda ikitantuka la kidogo, then I'll be good to go. Let me cover it and give it a duration of 5 minutes, then I'll be back. But the aroma, I'm smelling it. It's smelling so nice. Okay, after some minutes, let's give it a check. So far so good, and the aroma, na ule inakaa poa. Vitunguu zangu zimeiva. I'm going ahead and add my tomatoes, okay, like so. And my spices: sour, the turmeric, garam masala, cumin powder, and the black pepper. Ziive vizuri kabisa. The aroma, oh my god. So I'm going ahead ni add lukewarm water kidogo tu, ndio isaidie nyanya zangu kuiva vizuri, and the spices pia kuiva vizuri, okay, like so. Give it a good stir. Ooh, smelling so nice. and cover it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Uipe time ive vizuri, spices ziive poa, tomatoes ziive poa. Okay, let's check on our paste. Ooh, jikoni nanukia. Everything is cooked so well. Naona nakaa poa. You see, kila kitu imepikika vizuri. Sawa. So I just went ahead and added my beans together with the carrots, and I'm just going to cover it for like 2 minutes for the spices to enter the beans. Okay, hiyo utamu wa spices, tomato, salt, nini ingie ndani. Okay, after 2 minutes, it's time to add our coconut milk. Maharagwe ya nazi. Wow, looking so good. Wow. Give it a good stir. I like adding Carico cube kwa chakula yangu, so kama upendi, it's optional, sio lazima. It's optional. So at this point, lower your heat. Wache nazi ive vizuri. Sawa. Funikia for 10 to 15 minutes. Wache nazi ive poa. So I'm just going ahead niteremshe moto yangu. Yes. And I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, after 10 to 15 minutes, we are back. And as you can see, hivyo ndo maharage yetu ya nazi yanakaa. Yes. So I'm just going ahead and garnish, and by now imeiva poa. Like so. Turn off my heat and garnish my beans. Wow. Inakaa poa, imeiva. Wow. Inanukia poa. Looking so nice. Looking so nice. Ready to be eaten. Okay. Yep. Okay guys, the final results ya maharagwe yetu ya nazi ama our coconut beans is here. Looking so nice. So yummy. Just try my recipes at home and tell me on the comment section below the results, okay? Try all of them, and don't forget to share the link to your friends. Sawa, mi naenda kuiserve na kamchele. You can serve it with chapo, pia ni poa sana. It's yummy. Just try it at home and tell me the results on the comment section. Until to my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.